The continued development of the reach of computing is now bringing new types of emergent phenomena into its grasp. We are entering a new era in which human activity will be transformed by the ongoing developments between data, algorithms, and people. This formula will change the way we learn, create knowledge, and communicate with each other. We are creating a platform in which our computing systems can develop, learn, and evolve to provide emergent behavior out of the interactions between data and users. Our first demonstration of this approach is a project called Assembly, in which an algorithmic basis of evolutionary processes has been created. A synthetic system of encoding characteristics, and a set of rules akin to the chemistry and physics of an environment, provide a basis for creating increasingly complex emergent behavior. However, these genetic and environmental conditions are abstractions of an underlying scheme which can be applied to varied types of data. In the Assembly project we show this by working through 3 levels of representation that evoke 1. The cellular, 2. The organism, and 3. The socio-cultural. The system runs across a variety of computing platforms. On portable devices, you attend to cultivating a single assembly at any of the 3 levels of representation. Your entity is part of a larger colony, which you are able to engage and experience through higher fidelity tools such as a computer, game platform, or virtual reality device. These assemblies grow and change as your own interactions with the assembly deepen. At the highest level, your assembly becomes an avatar in a complex cultural environment, showing how this approach can become a vehicle for interaction in an information-dense world. Through this work, we are building a systematic approach for nurturing computational entities to have increasing agency in their context. Creating this relationship will change the way we interact with computers, providing us with experiences of greater insight, supporting how we work, play, live, and learn.